Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so if you like me and you've just picked up the brand new Moto E6 Plus, you might be wondering how to take off the back cover and how to insert the SIM card, the micro SD card, and also the battery. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Okay, so if you look on the same side here where you find the volume rocker and the volume up and down button here, if you go down, you will see a little groove right here. Okay, so this is the little groove. You have to look good to see it because it does blend in pretty well with the back shell. Okay, so just put your finger in between the groove. You have to have long fingernails. Okay, and then just pop off the back cover. Okay, so now you will see that you have two slots here. One slot is for the micro SD card, the top slot is for the micro SD card, and the slot below it is for the micro SIM card. Okay, so I've got my micro SIM card here. This is a new SIM card, so I'm just going to take it out. Okay, so this is my micro SIM card, so I'm just going to take it out and I'm going to take it out again, and I'm going to take it out of this last little piece here. Okay, so this is the micro SIM card. Okay, so when you unbox the device, you should have one of these little SIM trays in the box. If you don't see it, have a look in the box, it should be there. So just take out the SIM tray out of the little packaging what it comes in. Okay, so you're just gonna put it in just like this. So where you see this little part here on the SIM card where it's got like a little cut there, you're just gonna pop it in. You're gonna pop it into the SIM tray just like that. It might be a bit difficult to do. But just keep trying until you get it flush, just like this. You're just going to pop it in and run your fingers across the top just to make sure that it's sat down quite comfortably in there. So you want it to be sat down just like that. Okay. And now you're just going to pop it into the little slot here where it says micro SIM 1. So you're just going to place it in just like that and push it right up until it can't go any further. That's what my girlfriend tells me. She says push it right up till it can't go any further. Yeah, so you just want to push it right up there, yeah? Okay. So now take your micro SD card. It's just not focusing for some reason. Okay, so this is a 64 gigabyte SanDisk Ultra micro SD card, and you're just going to place this into the second slot here where it says micro SD. So you're just going to place it in there, and once again you're going to push it right up till it can't go any further. Okay, so both are in there. So now just take your battery And these three little gold parts here, you're just going to line them up with these three gold little springs there, like that, and push it in and make sure it's sat down nice and comfortably in there. And then take the back cover now, and you're going to line up the Moto logo also with the camera cut out, with the camera here and the Moto logo there, just like that. And you're just gonna snap everything into place like that. You don't want to leave any gaps. You want to make sure that the back cover is on perfectly well, just like that. And now, where you see the volume rocker up and down, you're just gonna turn on the power using the power button. So let's just do that. Hold it down until the device turns on.
Hello, Moto.
So it's just checking for some updates there. So you have to go through the whole setup process. So next, don't copy. So just make sure you read everything what's going on the display. If you want to sign into your Google account, you can just do that from here. I'm just going to skip next, but if you want to sign in, you can do it from there. Hit skip again. Accept. Skip. Skip. Skip anyway. Okay. Accept and continue. Hit next. And we're in. Okay, so as you can see here at the top, we have signal strength. That means the SIM card has been inserted correctly. And we've got the a message from EE straight away. That's the network that I'm on. And EE4G there. Go into the settings. And let's just check that my micro SD card has been inserted correctly. Okay, it says corrupted, so let's just set up that. Portable storage, format SD card. You might have to format it for it to be recognized. Okay, so there is 63 gigabytes there. My micro SD card. And let's just go into about phone. SIM status EE. So that's my network there, EE. And you can see I've got the signal strength there with 4G. So yeah, that's my video showing you how to insert the micro SIM card and also the micro SD card into the brand new Moto G6 Plus. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments in the comment section down below if you had any problems doing this. Let me know all that good stuff. Also, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload a video onto YouTube. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces. Oh yeah, stay tuned. There's more videos to come with this awesome device.